With a new diet popping up every other day, it is hard to decide which diet you should choose. Promises of weight loss, increased energy and an overall new you seem to be offered from every diet company in existence. So how should we go about it? Welcome. This channel aims to help you become more informed and improve your health and fitness endeavors. As you stay tuned, you'll discover new and quickly noteworthy hints that will enable you to achieve your health and wellness objectives. So, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the notification bell to get informed whenever a video is being released. So, let's get right into it. Here is a thought: how about going back to the basics? Back to a time before the nutrients were cooked out of food and preservatives and other unnatural elements were added. Eating vegetables and fruits in their raw stage is the best way to preserve the natural benefits that they offer, therefore resulting in positive benefits for you. Although many believe that a raw food diet isn't achievable and that there will be cravings and too many negative aspects that will make you fall off of the dieting wagon, this isn't true. Eating the raw foods will, in fact, offer detoxification of the sweeteners, additives, and caffeine that our bodies have grown used to. Think about it: why would you need to add sugar syrup to a fruit that produces natural sugars? The purpose of this is to keep the fruit sweet so that when you open the can it has been preserved and still tastes sweet. Eating the same fruit in its natural state offers all the fresh sweet goodness of the raw fruit without any added fillers. With all of the gadgets offered to create appealing dishes, you will never get bored with the possibilities you have to create delicious and nutritious raw meals. Consider using thinly sliced zucchini instead of lasagna noodles to make vegetable lasagna that is good for you. Or take that same zucchini and use it as spaghetti, then add raw tomatoes, garlic, green peppers, and mushrooms to make a healthy spaghetti and meat sauce alternative. There are thousands of raw vegetable and fruit recipes at the click of your fingertips. All you have to do is search the web and you will instantly be given enough recipes to keep the pickiest eater satisfied. The best part is not only will you know you are eating healthy, you will feel that you are eating healthy. A reduction in body fat and an increase in energy will be sure telltale signs that your decision to go raw was a great decision towards a healthier you. More health and wellness tips would be discussed in our next video. So, if you enjoyed the video, drop your comments in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now it's the time to do so and turn on the notification bell to get informed whenever a video is being released.